This is the weekend edition. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. This video is good through Sunday, February 23rd, 2014. Set the ground running. This is the S&P daily chart. You'll see this high base that we're starting to make above all major moving averages. That's really good. We're just below a lot of resistance area here on the S&P 500. We need to break over that. We are building a great case on why that should happen. If you look here at a weekly chart, you'll see in the last couple of weeks we've been bouncing higher. There's no reason why it shouldn't keep going higher here. Things in motion tend to stay in motion. If you look over here at the monthly chart, again, we're building a high base on the monthly chart. Things are looking fairly strong at this moment. Here's the NASDAQ monthly chart. The problem with this is we're at resistance. I could see the NASDAQ pulling back on the month. The weekly chart, we're almost at resistance. I could see that pulling back. And on the daily though, we're above resistance and I could see this actually heading higher. So I'll be watching the NASDAQ very closely. Here's the gold. Gold's building a nice high base. It looks like it's wanting to go higher. The weekly chart on gold is breaking through a lot of resistance. Has a falling 50-week moving average that could act as resistance, so I'd be careful of that. The monthly chart, we had this falling wedge. We broke out, boom, up, up, and away. We're looking for nice upside potential there. Silver has a monthly chart. Looks like it's trying to break over resistance point. Gang, for the month, this is a buy opportunity if we keep going higher. Here's the weekly chart. We broke out of resistance. We're finding resistance at the falling 50-week moving average with the doji. If we can get over that, silver is a buy. On the daily chart here, we got a high base, so we have a really good chance of a breakout commencing. I could see that happening. Let's get into some tech stocks and also some big heavy player stocks I want to share with you. Right before I do that, we're doing a freebie here. It's a great class. You want to participate in this, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and right here, upcoming events. We have one Saturday morning. We have two next week, so get signed up for that. And going to our first stock, Apple daily chart, a bull pullback. I'm looking for some buying opportunities here if and only if the NASDAQ can stay strong. We're at resistance, so got to be careful with all these guys. On the weekly chart, here's the problem. Resist or support. Support broken is acting as resistance. So I'm thinking Apple could start to drop on the weekly chart. The monthly chart, we're already heading down. We've seen some bullish activity. Would not surprise me to see more downside potential on Apple. Amazon monthly chart, beautiful bull pullback. Weekly pulling back. We're looking for a buy opportunity. So look for a bottom to be put in on Amazon. Look for a buy opportunity if the NASDAQ stays strong. Facebook daily charts up, 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 and we're just looking for a pullback. Here's a weekly chart, up, 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 up. We're just waiting for a pullback. You're too late to the party. Here's the monthly chart. It's just up, 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 up. Just waiting for a pullback. You're too late to the party. Jumping into this right now long. Google monthly chart, up, 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 and away. The weekly chart, it's a slow incline. We're at over 1,200 bones on Google. Daily chart, building a high base. This dude wants to break out more. So be watching Google for upside potential if the markets can stay strong, especially the NASDAQ. LinkedIn on the daily chart is just pitiful. Stay away from it. Microsoft tried to break out on Friday, pulled back. So if you look at a weekly chart, we're just condensing, hanging around here. Monthly chart, building a high base. So look at these long lower shadows on Microsoft. We drop, and every time we have weakness, buyers come in and bring that weakness back up. Watch for a breakout. And Netflix, look at the monthly chart. Boom! Can you imagine being in around 53 bucks or so, and now being at 432? Wow, what a nice run. We're even getting in at $100. We're at 432. Netflix on fire. So we're building another high base. Anything over 445 or so could be a nice trade to the upside. Netflix is something to watch for. Twitter, on a daily, it's just kind of petering out down here in the bottom. A weekly chart Just be careful with this one. Here's a monthly chart. Nothing to write home about. Our big winner on our Stock Picks V newsletter, and we do a Stock Picks V newsletter each week, and it's rock solid. This is what we do in our own trading, and we just opened it up to anybody that wants to subscribe. It's about $1 a day. But anyway, we highly vet some stocks. PRAA, boom, big pop, nice run. Actually, for the week, it's up nearly 17%. Another one, away. Look at this, up, and away. Big pop, up over 16%. In US, nice run here off these lows. So we're starting to pick up some ground. It's up 9%. DORM, D-O-R-M, it has some nice movement with some volume. It's up almost 9%. Facebook, we already looked at, it's up 8%. HOMB, this one is moving. It's coming off this low here and building a high base. There's some more opportunity here. We do have some resistance coming in. Baby, B-A-B-Y, coming off these lows, up almost 6%. Another one almost up 6% is ITT. And big run here, not doing too shabby. We also have a bear list, so if the markets go bearish, we like to trade short the markets. INVN, and we're starting to drop here. This has dropped 5.5% for the week, and then we have CVE. That's just been dropping. That's down more than 5%. Anyway, go to the website, get signed up for one of three. We're going to do the same class 3 different times. We're done with just doing them one time a month, because what happens, people can't get to them on that specific time. So we're going to go ahead and do each class 3 times, and we're going to start doing them once a week, different classes, to get more information to you free of charge more rapidly. Anyway, hope you can join us. Take care, safe trading. Oh, and check your email. So if you are a subscriber of our group, I shot out email to everybody with those links for your convenience. Share us with a friend.